from in between the trailers, blew down there and ended up down here fully setting up. That's what knocked that pine tree out when it come in. Drying out.
Well, no, I took it with me.
Yeah, right.
Because she's got that property down there, and I'm trying to get it to where fixed back up, and where my nephew's got it all fucking
Tore up, huh?
This where she can be able to put it on the market.
Yeah.
And the grass and shit inside house. So I took everything now possibly would need, which I had to bring my tools back with me,
right,
just in case. Because don't know what the week's going to bring.
Right.
I know. I'm glad this rain that they keep calling for seems to be staving off.
Yeah.
Man, it surprised me last night.
It's supposed to rain all week.
I didn't think it was going to rain that much last night.
It really is. I just... So much stuff in the water.
My sisters and brothers live in Michigan, and I took pictures and I showed them news clips. They just couldn't believe it, man.
Oh yeah, no, my phone. I got family and friends and calling me left and right, texting me and stuff. Like, you guys okay? Or mom was, yeah, we were lucky. We were, we were far enough away. And then like same thing with where our holler is. Like we were in a holler and we got like a stream that runs through it, but everything still goes down from there. Like we tell people like if we flood.
Everybody downstream gets blocked up.
And I said, no, the holler's in between the hills. It starts to the top, it comes down to the flat ground.
Yeah.
I said, that's a holler now.
Yeah, it's that dip. It's like that's what we're in. It's like we're in the dip part.
This ends down river. I feel sorry for them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
they're gonna be clogged up on account of everybody's
what's
shit.
That, Estill County?
I think it is.
I know. I've been watching the water too. Like that's like blowing my mind.
All our garbage is going down to there.
I was born and raised on a lake, in Michigan, and
you were from Erie, so
the water. I never seen it flood, like that,
Yeah.
We used to have, in springtime, the water would come up, maybe
a little bit,
you know what I mean?
Flood a field here or there,
Yeah,
like,
right.
yeah. If not more. There's just so much. People really aren't kidding when they say that the damage from this is like the equivalent of like an F5 tornado. And the sheer magnitude that it covers is insane, because there is just debris and rock, broken limbs, and trash just everywhere. Oh, and it smells. It's very gross. I'm good being on this part. Bear can go adventure down there. Stinks. Everything does. It smells like mildew and wet and nasty mud. Bear for scale.